In this video, we are going to take a quick yet important look at esters, which are a distinct group of organic compounds. The defining feature of esters is their functional group, which is written as COO. This group is located within the middle of the molecule, unlike the carboxylic acid group, which is usually found at the end of a molecule. The presence of the COO group is what gives esters their characteristic properties. Esters are well known for a few unique properties. One of the most distinctive features of esters is that they usually have pleasant and often sweet or fruity smells. This makes them particularly useful in a range of commercial and everyday products. In addition to their scent, esters are volatile compounds, meaning they evaporate easily when exposed to air. Because of these properties, esters are widely used in the manufacture of perfumes and artificial food flavorings, where a fruity aroma is desirable. Now, let's take a look at how esters are made. The process of forming an ester is called esterification. This chemical reaction involves two key types of reactants, a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. For example, to create a compound known as ethyl ethanoate, we would need to react ethanoic acid, which is a type of carboxylic acid, with ethanol, which is an alcohol. However, for the reaction to proceed efficiently, we must also use a catalyst to speed up the process. The most commonly used catalyst is concentrated sulfuric acid, which helps facilitate the formation of the ester without being consumed in the reaction. During esterification, part of the carboxylic acid and part of the alcohol are removed and combined to form a small molecule of water. Specifically, the carboxylic acid loses its OH group and the alcohol loses a hydrogen atom from its OH group. Together, these three atoms, 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, form a water molecule, which is considered a byproduct of the reaction. What remains of the carboxylic acid and alcohol now join together, and the bond that connects them is known as the ester link. This bond contains the COO group we mentioned earlier and is responsible for connecting the acid part of the molecule to the alcohol part. Because of its role in joining these two parts, it can also be referred to as the ester linkage or ester bond. In summary, esters are organic compounds that contain a COO functional group. They are known for their sweet and fruity aromas and their tendency to evaporate easily, making them useful in perfumes and food flavorings. Esters are formed through a process called esterification, in which a carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol, producing an ester and water in the presence of an acid catalyst, such as concentrated sulfuric acid. The COO group not only defines the ester, but also serves as the link between the alcohol and acid components. That's everything for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Thanks again for watching.